theorems of calculus, fundamental theorems made to be if f is continuous, and we can define its derivative, and we can define the integral to a relationship between the two. Say we have a function defined from a to b, use the indefinite integral. On this interval, can't you see? If f of x is continuous, it's the derivative of g. The theorem tells us that if we have a function of x in a defined interval, then f of x is the derivative of g of x, the indefinite integral. Fundamental theorems are so useful. Derivatives and integrals, intervals on intervals. Man, this is so wonderful. Fundamental theorems of calculus. Just get ready for fundamental theorems of calculus. Fundamental theorems made to be if f is continuous, and we can define its derivative. Then we can define the integral to a relationship between the two. Theorems are from me and you. F from a to b. F of t dt. F of x equals the function. The tension line is the rate at which values of f are changing. I mean, who am I to give a constant value? Now we've covered the second one. Calculus is oh so fun. The rise over, run. What can I say? The theorems are so fundamental, yeah. Fundamental theorems of calculus. Fundamental theorems are made to be if f is continuous, and we can define its derivative, and we can define the integral to a relationship between the two. Okay, the first fundamental theorem of calculus states that if you have the given function on the given interval, the definite integral is equal to the difference of the first and second one. Area equals f2 minus f1. Calculus, wow, so much fun. And no, you need a refresher after learning these theorems. I'm sorry if I spoke too quickly, I just get a little bit jittery now. If you have a function, you can find the definite integral. If you have the indefinite at both the endpoints, we just need a face-to-face. You can pick a time and a place. I'll teach you calculus. Teach you everything that I know about the fundamental theorems of calculus. Fundamental theorems made to be if f is continuous, and we can define its derivative, and we can define the integral to a relationship between the two. Fundamental theorems. Fundamental theorems.